Niece Stella. Now, Stells, first of all, what do you think of the tomatoes?
Well, they're very impressive. They're
Yeah.
grown to a substantial size.
Thanks very much. I'm very proud of them. Now, the other thing is, today you've been with us for the last couple of nights, but you're off to Sheffield this afternoon. Why are you going to Sheffield?
I am swimming in the British Nationals tomorrow.
In the British Nationals. What discipline?
100 breaststroke.
100 metres breaststroke. And have you won any big competitions in the last few months?
I had the regionals, which I won.
Did it? What about the Wales one?
I won the Welsh Nationals, yeah.
Oh, did you? You won the Welsh Nationals, did you?
I did win some of them.
Fantastic. We're all very proud of you. Thanks. The first tinges of red coming in my first tomato. This is the first one that grew, that came out. That's not going to be long before that's ripe. Some of the San Marzanos are whoppers. Smaller ones there. Yeah. Get the size of them. Beaut. Got another one coming through there as well. Another one there. Just about make that out. The one here. Ooh. What about the chilies? These are chilies, so they're a little bit behind the peppers. But this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, got loads of them coming. Yippee. These beauties are getting to be whoppers. Fantastic. Look at them. Look at them. So the first ripe tomato is going to be picked. Wonderful. This is our first tomato.
Yeah, I think so.
Anyway, we're getting in from the rain. Listen to this! I don't know how long it's going to last. Everybody's been wanting it. Looks quite light up there actually. I don't think it will last very long, but hey. I've come out in it because it doesn't really matter if you get wet, because it's warm. I'm going to dry off quickly anyway.